Hi, sir. Hi. Good afternoon. Shall we start?
Yes, yeah, we can start it now.
Okay. You can turn off the video. That's not required. Okay. I have shared my screen. It will load in 1 or 2 seconds.
My video is not required.
Yeah, it's not required.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Are you able to see the screen?
A, B, C, D. Yeah.
Yes.
I can
Okay.
able to see.
So, see, directly we'll be starting with our topic. So, today it is the first lecture of the course, right? So, today, first of all, whenever we start a new language, we first of all read about its letters and numbers and all. That what is the script, what letters they are using, okay, and what are the sounds. It is not necessary that whatever sound ABCD is having in English, the same sound will be there in German. It is not like that. Okay. So all these basic things you have to do directly. Will not start with sentences and grammar and greetings and all that will come at a proper stage. First of all, you have to start from the complete scratch from the beginning of this. Yeah. Okay. I hope you might have watched some of my old other videos which I sent you on WhatsApp, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, let's directly start with this. So see, first of all, what we have to do, we have to learn the German alphabets. Okay,
Yes.
so German is a European language. It uses the same set of Roman alphabets, Roman numerals, Roman numbers, same which we have in English. Okay, the same ABCD they are using, which we use in English. The same ABCD German language also uses. So first of all, what I am doing is I am playing one video of that ABCD. Okay, these are basically names of the letters. Like in English, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, so on.
Okay.
So just like that, they have the names of the letters in German. It's like A, B, C, D, like this, right? So I'm playing one video. I'm playing it twice. Try to listen to it, and then we will compare it with the English ABCD. Okay? Yeah, you need not to write down anything. Nothing to write down. Okay, this video, everything I'll be sharing with you right away. Okay, so you can download it later. Yeah, listen to it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay, once more I'm playing it. Listen to it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Yeah, just listen once more.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay, clear till here?
Yep.
Right, that is the German ABCD, right?
Okay.
That is the German ABCD. So now we have to compare it with the English. Okay. So see, in English we have A B C D E F G. Okay. English is A B C D E F G. Now you speak the German along with me. A B C D. Speak.
A, B, C, D.
Again, A B C D.
A, B, C, D.
A F G.
A, F, G.
Yeah. A B C D A F G.
A, B, C, D, A, F, G.
H I J K.
H, I, J, K.
H I J K.
H, I, J, K.
L M N O P.
L, M, N, O, P.
L M N O P.
L, M, N, O, P.
H I J K L M N O P.
H, I, J, K. L, M, N, O, P.
H I J K L M N O P.
H, I, J, K. L, M, N, O, P.
Q R S T.
Q, R, S, T.
Q R S T.
Q, R, S, T.
U V W.
U, V, W.
U V W.
U V W.
QRST UVW.
QRST U V W.
X epsilon
X
epsilon
X epsilon
und set. The word und means and. Okay. The word und is the word for and. X epsilon und set. Okay.
Yeah.
The word and is und. So x epsilon und set.
Set. Okay.
Right? X epsilon und set. Simple.
Set. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm playing it again. Listen to it. Yeah.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Once again.
Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay. So I think now
Okay.
you will be able to learn them. See, these are just the names of letters, nothing else. Okay.
Yes.
These are just the names of letters. Nobody is going to ask you this ABCD, but yeah, you should know this because you are learning a new language. So you should know its constituent letters. I have sent you that video. You can go through it later. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now see, directly we'll be starting with our topic of pronunciation. In pronunciation, what do? We basically see what are the sounds of these letters. Okay, what are the sounds of these letters? So far what you have done the names of letters A, B, C, D. Now you have to you have to learn the sounds of letters. Okay.
Sounds.
Yes.
Okay.
So I have shared one PDF on the screen. So see, German, as you know, it uses the same Roman alphabets from A till Z. Okay. It uses the same Roman alphabets from A till Z. So there are basically two parts of this: vowels and consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are B, C, D till Z. Okay.
Yes.
Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are B, C, D till Z.
C.
Yeah.
Z.
So first of all, what I am doing is I have drawn one table there. Okay. Try to understand that table: B, D, G, P, T, K. I have made one table there: B, D, G, P, T, K. Try to understand that. The table means any word if it is ending with B, D, or G in German. Okay. Any word if it is ending with B, D, or G in German. End means that in the end of that word B, D, or G should be coming. Right?
Okay.
In the end of that word, if B, D, or G is coming, then respectively the sound of that B, D, and G is per, ta, and ka. Per, ta, and ka sound will come. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, in the end of the word, per, ta, and ka sound will come. So, see the example: G-I-B. Okay, G-I-B. Speak the example. Try to speak it.
Geep.
Geep. Yes, the sound is written in this second column. This is a sound. Geep. This is what you have to read. Geep.
Yeah.
Okay. Second, K-I-N-D.
Okay.
Kent. Next.
Okay. Talk.
Tak. Okay. Tak. So if you see, the first column is the original word. Second column is the sound. Okay. In English, the sound is written, and third column is the meaning. Yeah.
Okay.
So Geep means give, Kint is child, and Tak means day. So that's why we say Guten Tag. It's a very common greeting. Guten Tag. Guten Tag means good day.
Good talk.
Yeah.
Good day.
Okay. So meanings you don't have to worry right now. Leave the meanings. Just focus on the word and the sound. That's it.
Okay.
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 Geep, Kint, and Tag. B, D, G.
Kint.
Mm-hmm.
B, D,
Yeah.
K.
Mhm.
B, T, K.
Yeah. B, D, J in the end will have the sound of pa, ta, and ka. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now the next letter is A. Okay.
Okay.
Next letter is A. A is having two sounds, A and A. Okay.
Okay.
A is having two sounds, A and A. There are two sounds, A and A. Yes. So how you will decide? You have to count the consonants after A. That's a trick. Okay.
Okay.
You have to count the consonant after A. So after A, if only, what is consonant? See, this consonant is this B, C, D till Z. These are the consonant. Right?
Yes.
The letters which are not vowels, they are the consonants. So you have to count the consonants after A, direct consonants after A. So after A, let's have one example. ALT. Tell me how many consonants in this?
Two.
Two are there. Okay. Then second example.
One.
One. Direct consonant is one. See, after A,
Okay.
G,
Yeah.
and then E, and then N. But I need the direct consonant. Direct is only one.
Yeah.
Okay. Direct is only one. Then TRAGEN.
One.
One. Okay. Now the rule is, read this rule. Whenever A is coming before a single consonant, that means after A, when only one consonant, right?
Okay.
Then it will have the A sound. A.
Okay.
Okay. Otherwise it will have A. Otherwise it will have A sound. A. So if you see here ALT, there are two consonants after A. That is A. Alt. Alt.
Okay.
Then FRAGEN, after A only one. So Fragen.
Fragen. Okay.
Then TRAGEN, after A only one. Tragen.
Dragon. Okay.
Okay. Try to go through this rule again. I am repeating again. You have to count the consonants. After A, if only one consonant, that will have the A sound. Otherwise, it will have the A sound. Okay.
Okay.
So Alt, Fragen, and Tragen.
Alt.
Hmm.
Dragon. Dragon.
Alt, Fragen, and Tragen. Simple.
Dragon.
Yes. Alt, Fragen, and Tragen. This is how we have to do that. Okay. Alt, Fragen, and Tragen. Next is E. E is having the A sound. A sound. Okay. A sound. Yeah. A sound. Just like, in mathematics, you have a word area of rectangle.
Yeah.
Okay. So that area A sound, that is sound of German E.
Okay.
So speak this example. First example.
SN.
SN. Second example is
Egal.
Okay. SNN.
Egal.
Egal. Right. SNN.
Egal.
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 Yeah. SNN egal. Next is I. I is having two sounds. See, this is egal. After A, one consonant. So A sound. Egal.
Egal.
Yes. Now next is I. I is having two sounds. Long E and short E. Okay. Long E and short E. After I, if it is one consonant, that's the long E sound, otherwise short E. Okay. After I, if it is one consonant, then it will have the long E sound, otherwise short E. Short E.
Okay.
Okay. So speak this example. First example.
East.
Next. Second.
Vida.
Vidar. Next.
Vida. Build.
Built. East, vidar, and built. Okay.
Vida. Build.
Yeah, east, vidar, and built. Okay. After I, if it is one consonant, that is long E, otherwise short E. So here you can see after I, three consonants are there.
Yes.
Okay. So that is short E. East. Then
East.
second example, if you see after I, one consonant, so long E, vidar.
Vida.
Then
Yeah.
third example, BILD, two consonants, short E.
Short.
Okay. And one more thing, I told you BDGPTK, D in the end is T. Okay.
Yeah.
D in the end is T. This becomes built.
Build. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now come on to top. See GIB. After I, how many? One. Geep. Long E. Geep. Okay. Then KIND. How many? After I? Two. Okay. So that is short E. Kent. Then TAG. After A, how many?
One.
Tak. Right? Geep, Kent, and Tak. Got it now? AEI.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
AEI. Next is O. Okay. I'll take till vowels and then I'll give you 5 minutes to revise. Next is O. O is having two sounds, O and O. O and O. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, O is having two sounds, O for Korea. O for Korea, O for solar. Okay?
Okay.
O for Korea or O for solar. O for O sound. And the second sound is O for awesome.
Okay.
O for awesome. So after O, if it is one consonant, that's the O sound. Otherwise, off or awesome.
Okay.
Yeah. So speak the first example. Order.
Order.
Second. Zol.
Sol. Sol.
Zol. Okay. Zol. Okay.
Sol.
So single S is Z, double S is S. That's Zol.
Zol.
Next.
Monad.
Monad. Next.
Corp.
Monad and corp.
Corp. Corp.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. If two consonants are there, it is ow.
Yes, off or awesome. So order, Zol, after O2 consonant, that's Zol. Then monad, okay. After O1 consonant, after A1 consonant, that's monad. And next is after monad, it's corp.
Corp. Okay.
Corp. Right?
Yes. Okay.
After O, it's two consonant and B in the end is per. So that's corp.
Corp. Okay.
Yeah? Corp. Next is U. U is having the U sound. U is having the U sound. Okay?
Ooh.
Yes, U is having the U sound. There is no short or long U. It's a simple normal U sound. U for U.
Ooh. Ooh. Okay.
Yeah? U is U. So speak the example. Tune.
Tune. Okay.
Now speak the second example. Mutter.
Mutter.
Mutter. And next is SCH, See, SCH is a combination.
Sure.
SCH is sh sound. SCH is sh sound.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Sh sound. Just like if you know there is a company Bosch, Robert Bosch. Okay. Or Schindler, right?
Okay.
Schindler or Schneider. All these are German companies, right? Schneider, Schneidler, many are there. So SCH is sh. SCH is sh. And H in the end is silent. This becomes shoe.
Okay.
Okay? Shoe.
Sure.
Right?
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tone, motor and shoe. Now see what I am doing is first of all I am sending you this PDF. Okay?
Okay.
So I have sent you on your Skype chat. Check it.
Okay.
You will get on the Skype chat. See the PDF once. Download the PDF first of all.
Where it is? Yeah, I got it. Accept.
Got the file?
Yeah, I got the file. Open.
So you open the file. Okay. First of all, go through the file. The page number 1 for 5 minutes. A, E, I, O and U. Okay.
Okay.
It's a totally new subject, so give 5 minutes. Try to revise the rules A, E, I, O, U first of all, and then we will revise these rules again, and then we will move ahead with the consonants. Okay.
Okay.
So revise them. After 5 minutes, we will discuss them again. Okay. Just try to revise and try to learn them as it is.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, done all? Revised? A, E, I, O, U?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt anywhere so far?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So now you can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay. So what you have to do, you have to explain me the rule in short. Okay. In one or two line, you have to explain me the rule in short and then speak the examples written there. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Start.
Yeah. The first one, whenever the words ending with pay, T, ka,
BDG, BDG, BDG or
whenever ending the
BDG.
words B,
Hmm.
B, D, ka,
Hmm.
it will start ending with P, T, ka.
Hmm.
The example.
Sound is
Give.
per turn ka. Sound is per turn ka. Okay. The
Okay.
spelling will not change. Only the sound will change. So whenever any word,
Sound.
if it is ending with be, day or gay or bd or g, the sound will become pt or k. Okay. Per or ka sound will come.
Yeah.
So geep,
Sound will
kint
come.
and tak. Speak the example.
Give.
Hmm.
Give.
Hmm.
King.
Hmm.
Top.
Okay. Next is a.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Whenever A is
Hmm.
coming before
Before
ending
single
with
consonant.
single consonant,
Hmm. A
then
sound.
A.
Otherwise,
Otherwise,
a.
O.
A. Okay. Otherwise, a for aman, a sound.
Yeah.
Yeah. Speak the example.
Example:
Hmm. Alt. Hmm.
alt,
Hmm.
dragon,
Hmm.
dragon,
Dragon. Alt, dragon, and dragon.
dragon,
Next is E.
dragon.
Speak the example.
Essen,
Hmm.
egal,
Hmm. Next I.
I, east,
Hmm. Hmm. Long E and short E. I is having two sounds. Long E and short E.
long,
Okay.
yeah,
Hmm.
east,
Hmm.
wieder,
Hmm.
build,
Built. A-E-I. Next is O. O is having two sounds. O and O. After O, if it is one consonant, that's O for Korea and O for awesome.
out, order,
Yeah. Hmm.
sol,
Zol.
monad,
Hmm.
corp,
Corp. Oder, Zol, Monat and Corp.
corp,
Okay. Oder, Zol, Monat and Corp.
and corp, yeah.
Next is U. U is having the U sound. Okay. U is having the U sound. Speak the example.
Tune,
Hmm.
mutter,
Motor. Next.
Sean,
Shoe. Okay.
Sean,
SCH is sh and H in the end is silent. Tune, motor
Sure.
and shoe.
shoe,
Right? Tune, motor
Yeah.
and shoe.
shoe, yeah,
Simple. Next is B. Okay.
okay,
So B now we'll start with the consonants. So first consonant is B. Okay. So B, D, G, P, T, K. Whenever any word ending with B, the sound is per. Okay. Any word
Yeah.
ending with B, the sound is per, and beginning or middle it's B for Bombay.
okay,
Beginning or middle is B for Bombay. So speak the example.
Belton,
Belen, not Belton, it's Belen.
Belen,
Next,
Oben,
Oben,
Co,
Corp,
Gip,
Geep. Okay? Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep. Right?
yeah,
Belen,
Oben, Co,
Corp, and Geep.
Gip,
Right? Next is C.
Yeah.
C is having the K sound. C is having the K sound. Speak the example. Camping.
camping,
Yeah, actually they have taken this word from English, so you can speak like camping. That's correct. Okay.
camping, yeah,
Yeah. Next is D. D is very important. See, one case is when D is coming in the end, the sound is T. T for tomato.
yeah,
Okay.
Okay.
And beginning or middle is D for dog.
dog,
Beginning or middle D for dog. So speak the first
Dog,
example.
okay. Bite,
First example. Doom.
doom,
Now speak the fourth example first. BAD. This one.
bad,
Bat. Next.
bad,
Hmm.
hunt,
Doom, Bart, and Hunt. Okay. Now,
yeah,
the second and third example, see, there are two combinations. First is EI. EI sound is I.
Okay.
Okay, I sound. This you will see in the coming lesson. All the combinations. EI is I is E. E sound. E, long E. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you see the example here, BEIDE. EI is I and E in the end is A. So this becomes
Okay.
Bida.
Bida.
Bida. Okay. EI is I. E in the end is A. Bida.
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 Yeah.
Next, WIEDER. Weeder.
Weeder.
Weeder. Okay. Simple.
Weeder. Yeah.
So see one more rule. E in the end is A. Okay. This is one rule. Bida.
Okay.
Weeder.
Bida
And
Weeder.
very good. Doom, Bida, Weeder, Bart and Hunt. Okay. Repeat all.
Doom.
Hmm.
Bida.
Hmm.
Weeder.
Hmm.
Bart.
Hmm.
Hunt.
Okay. Next is F. F is simple. F for football.
Football.
Okay. Then
Okay.
one more combination. AU. AU is AO. AO sound. AO.
Okay.
AU is AO sound.
Ow.
So
Okay.
speak this example. Foul.
Ow. Foul.
Foul. Next. Shaft.
Shop.
Shaft. SCH I told you, no? SCH is combination.
Shop.
Okay. SCH is sure.
Sure.
SCH is sure after a one consonant. That becomes shaft.
Shop.
Foul
Shaft.
and shaft.
Foul. Shop.
And shaft. Next is G. G in the end is ka. Beginning or middle is ga for gun. G in the end is ka. Beginning or middle ga for gun. So speak the example.
Gegen.
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 Hmm. Tak. Next.
Cool.
Klug. Klug.
Look.
Okay.
Look.
Gegen, Tak and Klug.
Gegen. Talk. And Klug.
Klug. Gegen, Tak and Klug. Simple. G. Next is H. H is very important. See, H in the beginning, first position. H in the beginning, first position is H for honey, H for hen.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
middle or end, it is silent.
Sal. Okay.
Middle or end, it is silent. So speak the example.
Halt.
Hmm.
Gay.
Gain. Okay.
Gay.
Gain. You know, H in the middle is silent. Okay. H in the middle is silent. So gain and Zain. Zain.
Zay. Zay.
Yes. Halt, gain and Zain. Simple.
Halt. Halt. Gay. Zay.
Zain. Good. Next is J. J is Y for yellow. Y sound. Y.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Speak
Yeah,
the example.
okay.
Younger.
Younger.
Yes. Younger. Correct.
Young.
Younger. Then
Younger.
last is KLMNP. KLMNP, that is having the same sound. Ka, la, ma, na, pa, the same sound is there. So speak the example. Cluster.
Cluster. Chicken.
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 Hmm.
Keller. Will. Atman.
Atman.
Shrimp. Renan.
Renan. Yeah.
Brown.
Brown and Lipper.
Lippe.
Okay. Cluster, chicken, Keller, Will, Atman, Shrimp, Renan, Brown and Lipper. Simple.
Okay.
Okay. You know, initially these rules might be like too much for you. You will see so many rules coming up, but you know, these rules will make the things easy for you. The problem in German pronunciation is, simple problem is they write something else, they speak something else. That's the trouble actually.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So these
Okay.
rules will make the things very easy for you. You know, just wait for one more lecture, one or two more lecture. Once I finish all the rules, before I start the grammar, then before that I'll be making you practice more than 1,000 words with these rules. Okay.
Okay.
So automatically you will be able to remember these rules, right? Once you practice those words, you will be able
Yes.
to remember these rules. Just like when I see a word, I need not any PDF. I need not to have any PDF to calculate the sound. I can speak it spontaneously because I have remembered all those rules. So that comes with practice. So same kind of practice when you will do, I'll make you practice 1,000 words before we start the grammar. So you will be able to retain all the rules in your mind. Okay.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Okay. Now do one thing. You have the PDF. Revise the rules from this page number 2. Consonant B till P. Okay.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah. Revise the rules from B till P and then complete PDF for 5-7 minutes. Then we'll start again from the consonants. We'll discuss them again. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going little bit slow right now. Okay. Once you are comfortable, then we'll increase the pace from coming session. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Mama, Rokina? Rokina.
Okay.
నాకు ఫారెన్ పేపర్స్ కావాలి నాకు
ఇప్పుడు కాదమ్మా కొంచెం కొంచెం వెయిట్. హాయ్.
నాకు మంచి
Revised all?
Yes.
Okay. So I've shared my screen. Start from B, speak the rule and then the example. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. When the word starting with B, it is the B.
Yeah.
We can pronounce as B.
In the beginning
Ending
it's
with
B for Bombay. In the end it is per. Okay. Per sound.
Yeah, ending B, it is we can spell as P. Example: Belen,
Belen.
oven,
Hmm.
cot,
Hmm.
keep.
Hmm.
And for C, it is car. Example: campaign.
Next. Camping. Camping.
and
Okay. Camping. It's an English word. Camping.
Camping. Yeah.
Next.
Next, the word starting with D is for dog. Ending
Yeah.
with D, it is
T.
tail.
T. Beginning or middle is
Example:
D for dog. In the end, it is T. So speak the example. Dum.
Doom,
Hmm.
bide,
Hmm.
vida,
Hmm.
bot,
Yeah.
hunt.
Yeah. Okay. Next F.
Next F.
Hmm.
F for F.
Yeah. F is for football. Foul. AU is ow. Okay.
Foul. Shove.
Shaft. Next
Shove.
G.
G. Word starting with Ga is gun.
Yeah. Beginning or middle is
Word
G for
ending
gun.
with
In the end it is K. Okay.
and K.
Next.
Gegen. Talk. Look.
Look. Next
Look.
H.
H. The word starting with H is
Her.
hand.
In the beginning is her. Middle or end it is silent. Okay.
Middle it is silent.
Middle or end it is silent. Speak the example.
Halt. Gain. Z.
Yeah. Okay. Correct.
The word starting with yacht. Yellow.
Okay.
White. Yellow. Example:
Younger. Next.
Younger. The words starting with K, L, M, N, P is Kyle, M, N, P. Example: class, chicken, Kella, will, Atman,
Okay.
Schwimmen,
Yeah.
Rennen, Lippe.
Leper. Okay.
Lippe.
Right. Clear. Leper. Clear. KLMNP.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So what we have done today so far, first of all, we saw that ABCD video, right? And then we have this letter. So I'm repeating the examples, right? Now you do one thing: start from the top. Just speak the German examples. Only these examples you have to speak. Okay.
Okay. Gib, Kind, Tag, Guten Tag.
Yeah. Okay. Alt.
Fragen, Dragon,
Yeah.
Essen,
Yeah.
Egal,
Egal.
Egal,
Next.
Egal, Echt, Wieder,
Ist, wieder and built.
Ist, Wieder und Bild.
Built. Next is O.
Oder, Soll, Monat, Korb.
Next U.
Tun, Mutter, Schuh.
Next B. Bellen.
Bela, Oben, Korb, Gib.
Next is C.
Campaign,
Okay, next is D. Yeah.
Dun,
Dum.
Friday,
Doom and then
Doom.
Bida.
Doom, Bide, Vida,
Hmm.
Bot,
Hmm.
Hunt.
Next. F.
Football.
Hmm.
Football. Yeah.
Hmm.
Gegen.
Gegen. Football. See, this one is foul and sharp. These two examples you didn't speak. Foul
Yeah.
and sharp. Okay.
Yeah. Foul. Sharp.
Sharp. Next is G. Gegen, Tag and Klug.
Gegen. Talk. Klug.
Klug. Next is H. In the beginning is her, middle or end it is silent. Speak.
Yeah. Halt. Gain. Zen.
Halt, Gain and Zen.
Zen. Yeah. Junge. Frau. Yacht.
Yeah, Junge. Then KLM and P same. Ka, la, mana, pa.
Yeah. Klasse. Schicken. Keller. Will. Hartmann. Schwimmen. Rennen. Braun. Lippe.
Okay. Brown and
Yeah.
Lipper.
Lippe.
Right? Clear till here? Any doubt?
Yeah, or no, here no doubts. I can go through this.
Yes. So that's the thing, right? Let's do till here today. Right now, just give me 1 second.
Okay.
Let me end this. Today we'll do till here. In the next lecture, we'll be taking the numbers, letters post P. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Just, yeah. 1 second. Let me just give me a minute. End this.